Well, hello, good people. Mark Holmes here, and as always, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. So we've got all the tile up yesterday. We're going to go through and we're going to grout this today, and we're going to put our final coat of varnish on our kitchen countertops, and then tomorrow we're going to come through here and we're going to put one more coat of varnish on the floors and let that sit till Monday, and then we can come through and start putting in the shoe molding. To say, the place has come a long ways. Mike has gone through and got the mini blinds and stuff put in. And of course, these are just raised up with your hand. You can see we need to clean the dust and stuff off of the windows from sanding the floors and things. But definitely the place is looking pretty good. Look at that. Oh, we left the window open yesterday. It was actually warm in here yesterday. And so we'll get that final coat of varnish on. And then we'll get our closet doors. I do need to repair that too. So maybe I'll see about getting this put together today. Somebody stepped through it, but we can definitely patch that up. And in the kitchen, we'll go down. Well, good morning, good people. Mark Holmes here. And as always, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. So taking a look at our shower here, we've got it all grouted up, and it looks pretty good. We still have just a little bit of dust that's left on it, but that's okay. Just literally take a dry towel and that'll wipe down. But the key on this is making sure that it's clean as possible. That looks really good. We'll go through and we'll end up using silicone around the edges and in the corners and stuff, and incredible. We do have a couple of nicks in here. There is a touch-up kit that we'll use to fix that. And Tracy has gotten all the paint and stuff off this floor. We're in the process of getting ready to varnish the floors here and getting that looking really good. We're going to go ahead and wipe it down with some thinner. We ended up, there were a couple of spots where, excuse me, pardon me, because it's an old floor and it does have the gaps and stuff in there. In some places it did pull up a little bit of those little black chips and stuff in there. And so we're going back through it and making sure that we've gotten those cleaned up. We'll vacuum it up real good and take care of sanding any of those spots that need it. And then we're going to go back through and put some more varnish on it. In the kitchen, oh boy, the kitchen has come along really well. Although right now, Mike is getting everything out of here so we can varnish and we'll be able to step away. But you can start to see our kitchen sink over here. It's not hooked up yet. I'm going to get some silicone. You see the backsplashes that we have on there. The color looks really good. And we've got all the doors painted. So come Monday, before I get my teeth pulled out, we'll get the doors put on here. We'll get the sink hooked up and things. And we'll start putting the bifold doors up on the closets. And we've got all the quarter round molding that'll go in. And we'll really start to be able to finish this place off and make it look really good. Because we're coming down the home stretch. Now, today we ended up taking care of putting the post up over here and jacking this up. You may remember how big a gap there was on the door. So we jacked up, you can see literally it's about an inch right here. But we ended up setting a 6x6 post over here in the corner, dug it down 24 inches, 16-foot footer, filled that sucker up with concrete, and that'll take care of it. So right along, bit by bit, day by day, getting closer and closer. So I'm gonna get in here and check and make sure we don't have any more of those spots on the floor before we varnish and get out of here.